More of you and less of me. He saw my heart cries for Lord. May I decrease that you may increase. May you be the Lord. More of you and less of me. He saw my heart cries for Lord. May I decrease that you may. The people that will carry this revival must be dead. They must be dead. They must be dead. We are believing that tonight the Lord will walk death into men first. Hey, what is left of me? Yes. Until then, ask him quickly, shortly. This is my heart. I present it to you. I present it to you. Oh, 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 oh. Ay, ay, ay. The Lord will walk dead into men first. The Lord will walk death into men first. People that will die first. Kutamangola kapiria. Tajakute kefete minaguta. Peikatuna gaski. Saikababo. Sister, tomorrow is too far. Tomorrow is too far. Hey, let heaven hear you tonight. Young man, give yourself no rest. Young lady, give yourself no rest. Hey! Hey! Is this how hungry you are? Is this how hungry you are? Is this how hungry you are? Is this the level of hunger you carry? Hey, tomorrow is too far. Tomorrow is too far. Hey, yes, yes, we are rising, we are rising. We are rising, we are rising, we are rising. We are rising. So you're not too old, you're not too old. You are not too old to carry revival. If there are kids amongst us, hold their hands. Don't let them roll. Hibaba kapanda, aklatomina gaskitabai, anakatwana kapanatwa, peredeke shikatalia, anakatayatana. Let the river well up from your vessel. Let it well up from your vessel. From your vessel. Hey! Kayatanabai. Hey! Hilabakuria makashika. All of you are less of me. It's all I cry out for, Lord. May I decrease that you may increase, that you be the Lord of all. More of you and less of me. It's all my heart cries for, Lord. May I decrease that you may increase, that you be the Lord of all. Oh, give what is left of me, so that only you will be seen, oh God. Oh, give what is left of me. Tonight we want God to perform a surgery, not just on the congregation, but even amongst us, the ministers. Let there be nothing left in us that interrupts God's move. Nothing. We must be dead so that the Spirit of God will find full expression. Oh, kill what is left of me, so that only you will be seen, oh God. Oh, Jesus, kill what is left of you, so that only you will be seen, oh God. Kill what is left of me, so that only you will be seen, oh God. There are things that needs to die, so that we can be able ministers of life, able ministers, that we will serve this wine uncontaminated. Don't mind anybody by your side. The Lord is performing surgery from the pulpit to the pew, online and on site. Brakatika shiketebena peretenis aklakati de venezele ejele vedeti katakaba peregede katwa ile de yeklete everyday kangashana eyego amalakatai ejefete kito anda kabaria tamas alaveneiko akiketeketeketwa achatata akakakaika. Shut your eyes wherever you are. Lift up your hands and say, Lord, here is my heart. That only him be seen and heard in our generation. Only him, only him, only him, only him. Maybe there is a quest for fame locked up in your heart somewhere. A quest for recognition. Let him kill it. I don't know about you, but as for me, sometimes I want to be seen, sometimes I want to be heard. But every time I say, Lord, it is not about me, it's you. Kill what must be killed quickly. Kill what must be killed quickly before it kills me. Banana holy, alumba bad, alumba nepeita, I paratande, senefigana, I panate yele, sevilia paria, paria natua.